What's up guys, it's Logan here with Form Lighting, and today we're going to be showing you how to install our all-new LED taillights on this 2024 S650 Mustang. Let's get to it. For this install, we will be utilizing a lift to give you a clearer view of the process. However, this is not required to install. Starting at the rear passenger wheel well, remove one plastic clip using a trim removal tool. Next, remove two bolts using a 7mm socket and peel back the fender liner. Continue using a 7mm socket to remove 3 more bolts, 2 below the side marker plug and 1 above. These bolts are different lengths, so make sure to separate each piece and put them back where they go later. We can repeat this same process on the driver's side. Moving underneath the vehicle, on either side, remove 2 plastic clips using a trim removal tool. Repeat for the other side. Next, we need to remove the splash shield. To do this, use a trim removal tool to remove 2 plastic clips, a 10mm socket to remove 1 bolt, and a 7mm socket to remove 11 bolts. With the splash shield out of the way, open the trunk and move to either side of the bumper. Grab the bumper from the released clip area and start gently pulling it towards the rear of the vehicle to release the plastic clips. Repeat this process on the other side. By yourself or with a friend, grab the bumper from both sides to release the rest of the clips holding it in place. Disconnect the taillight connector and place the bumper aside on a cradle or soft surface. Next, remove the trunk floor and set aside. Unscrew the 4 bag hangers, 2 on each side, from the plastic trunk trim. Pull on the plastic trim to remove and set aside. Using a trim removal tool, remove 2 plastic clips, 1 on each side of the trunk liner. Peel the trunk liner back on both sides. If equipped with a subwoofer, use a 14mm socket to remove the 3 bolts holding it in place. Slide the subwoofer out of the pocket, unplug it, and peel the trunk liner back. For dark horse and performance pack models only, on the driver's side you will need to loosen the module shown. It's held by two 10mm bolts and one 8mm bolt. Set aside and peel the trunk liner back. Starting with either taillight, locate the black taillight connector and disconnect it. At the rear of the vehicle, underneath the taillight, remove 3 bolts using an 8mm socket. Next is releasing the plastic clip shown here. Apply slight pressure at the back until it releases and gently lay the trim piece down as it is still connected to the vehicle. Behind the taillight, remove 3 10mm nuts holding the lamp in place. With the lamp loose, remove it from the vehicle. We'll need to transfer the top trim piece from the OEM lamp to our new form lamp as well as the magnet. To do this, gently pull the top trim piece away from the lamp to release the plastic clips. Remove the magnet by pushing it up and out of place. Transfer both pieces to the new form lamp. If your Mustang was built after February 2024, you will need to use the included taillight adapter harness. You can locate your build date on the driver's side door's sill. Our vehicle was built before February 2024, so we will not be using this adapter. This is also a good time to choose whether you want the startup sequence and amber turn signal enabled. Connecting the red amp wire will enable the amber turn signal. It will be red if left disconnected. Leaving the blue amp wires connected will enable the startup sequence. You can disconnect to disable this feature. Feed the amp connectors and taillight connector through the hole and into the trunk, making sure the rubber grommet is secured in place before placing the lamp on the vehicle. Reinstall the 3 nuts we removed earlier and plug the taillight in. If the adapters were used, make sure the vehicle is off and then press and hold the brake pedal for 10 seconds. Test for function. With everything functioning properly, repeat the same steps on the other side and reverse the steps we used to take everything apart to put it all back together. That wraps it up for this one. If you guys would like to pick up a set of LED taillights for your S650, head on over to formlights.com or use your dealer locator tool to find a form lighting dealer near you. Thanks for watching.